Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mukhammad Nizar Zulmi. I'm from Spoken English C with student number 060205-256. In this video, I will gonna talk about nature or environment. I think all of us agree that Indonesia has a lot of beautiful nature, such as mountain, beach, forests, etc. Indonesia, as people known as a maritime country. That's why Indonesia has a lot of beautiful beach and island. And Indonesia, there are many islands, not only Java, but Sumatra, Kalimantan, Bali, Papua, and many other islands. And for example, in Malang City, there are many beaches and mountains, such as Putak Mountain, Panderman Mountain, Tricolor Beach, and many other examples. And then Indonesia as a familiar tourism. Many international tourists come to Indonesia to enjoy our nature, such as Senggigi Beach, Raja Ampat, Gili Island, and of course Dewata Island or Bali. And Bali Island, it's familiar in other country. Besides that, Indonesia has a lot beautiful mountain, such as Semeru Mountain, Merbabu Mountain, and Kawah Ijen. Especially on Kawah Ijen has a blue fire, which is blue fire just only two in the world. One in Islandia and one in Indonesia. That's why many international tourists come to Indonesia and enjoy the beautiful place in Indonesia. But unfortunately, there are many people less scared to save our nature, such as illegal forest burning, less care to keep clean our nature, and many people litter, not throw the trash into the bin. And I hope in the future, and maybe I hope right now, Indonesia people care about our nature. And if our nature clean, that will be many local or international tourists come to Indonesia, and it can help economy of Indonesia. Because if not us, who? Yeah, I think that's all of my explanation about nature and environment. And I'm sorry if less than perfect on my explanation. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.